That being said, a ceremony was held in the Saudi capital Riyadh in connection with the Defense Day of Pakistan, in which military attachés and diplomats of foreign embassies participated. The commander of the Islamic Military Alliance, retired General Raheel Sharif, also attended the ceremony as a special guest. Ambassador of Pakistan Ahmed Farouk and military attaché Brigadier Asim welcomed the ambassadors and military attachés of different countries in the Pakistan Defense Day ceremony organized by the Embassy of Pakistan in the Saudi capital. On this occasion, Brigadier Muhammad Asim, the military attaché of the Embassy of Pakistan, said that the 6th of September is the brightest day in our military history when the brave forces of Pakistan defeated their enemy in nefarious intentions. Pakistan's Ambassador Ahmed Farouk said that the 6th of September, Pakistan defeated an enemy many times bigger than itself, and Pakistan Army and the people of Pakistan fought a joint war. The speaker said that Pakistan wants peace in the world, and this is the reason why Pakistan has been demanding the international community to resolve the Kashmir issue so that the atmosphere of peace in the region can be promoted.